Welcome everyone, my name is Marlene, the creator behind Tone's Caribbean Body, a project that was started from the onset of COVID-19, where I simply share with you holistic solutions for a healthier lifestyle. Oh hey, you caught me in the middle of my workout session, but that's okay, I'm almost done anyways. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to extract the juice from the sugarcane the old time way by turning this sugarcane into this. Now, I pretty much grew up sucking sugarcane pretty much every day, so I know of the myriad of health benefits that the sugarcane juice contains, from immune and energy boosting properties to the inclusion of the juice in many skincare products. Now, nowadays, you can find many gadgets that can extract the juice from the sugarcane, but it's the old time way that has always intrigued me. Take a look. Here is where it all begins, the sugarcane cuttings that is reaped from healthy sugarcane plants that are of course part of the grass family. Here is my dad getting the sugarcane harvest ready for harvest. Simply cut off the top. That top is what is used to plant to generate more sugarcane plants, and this is a full length of sugarcane known as the crayfish variety that gives you a nice mildly yellow color to your cane juice. Here he's getting the sugarcane ready by removing the nodes from the sugarcane in preparation for the juicing process. The dry leaves that you see here from the grass will turn into mulch that will serve to nourish upcoming sugarcane plants. This variety my dad terms the purple variety. We have two varieties at our property, the crayfish variety and the purple variety. The purple variety gives you a slightly brown, less yellow shade of juice, while the crayfish variety gives you a nice pale yellow appetizing color to your juice. And here we have our harvest ready for extraction, both the green and the purple variety. Of course, we gathered more cuttings that we can use to generate more and more plants. And of course, we have the extraction process well underway. My dad built this mill after he saw my grandfather build 3 mills in his lifetime. You usually would have 3 men manning this mill, one to jockey as my dad is doing in purple, and my uncle will push and pull the cane through. That's usually the job for 2, but of course my uncle, knowing exactly what to do, was able to perform both tasks. This is a bay leaf wood that is used to plummet the sugar cane so that the juice comes through that funnel. So this is my dad jockeying, as he called it, on the bay leaf wood just to ensure that the juice comes through. This process is called lapping and of course tying. I'm learning these terms, guys. And then turning tightly to extract the last bit of juice from the sugar cane. Now, this jockeying process can be very, very tedious because depending on the amount of sugarcane that you have to extract the juice from, your bum can get hurt really fast. So you can see the juice coming through slowly, but definitely it adds up. And by the time you're finished with all these sugarcane sticks, you have like a whole 5 liters of juice. That's quite a lot. This is the result after bagasse that can be dried down and used as mulch and to make paper. And here is the finished product, guys. Doesn't it look refreshing?